for construction. These are old tanks now. Our own municipal tanks are overflowing. Our own public toilets which are there in my ward, for example, one of them is construction.
Everywhere stone all over the place. So that needs to be collected. The area is to be kept clean. Secondly, there should be no stagnation of water unnecessarily. Like for example, I agree.
Doctor comes in there, the children know they irritate their parents also to do this.
Yes.
But children are not there in the morning.
We are doing already to prevent the further spread of this both malaria as well as dengue, so that can tackle this issue. Okay, we require the help of each and every one of you, including the public, to tackle. Now we have already said how vector-borne diseases are caused. Okay, you all must be aware of why it is happening. Okay, first and foremost, just to give you a brief, I think our doctor has already come with a presentation to show you various things that we have been doing, and now with your assistance, I think we can control an outbreak. Now everywhere, if you have heard, many places and other places, there are many cases happening, and dengue spreads very fast. It spreads very fast. Okay, so meeting that way, we need to
Tell us now how you will
because it is
help
not
us.
happening. How
No,
will
you
we help?
only tell us the solution and what you want from us, because this that
फॉलो करपाक जाय आनी रोखडेच समज ते दोळे इचिंग जाता पयले एका दोळ्याक जाता मागीर दोन्ही दोळ्याक जाता जाल्यार रोखडेच डॉक्टराक कन्सल्ट करपाक जाय जाल्यार फोनार तरी सांगून मेडिसीन घेवपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी कितें करता बिंदास दोळे आयला ते कांय जावचें ना ते निवळटले ते इन्फेक्शन आसा पळय ते जो पर्यंत मेडिसीन पडना तो पर्यंत ते वचचें ना आनी 5 दीस ताजो भार आसता आनी पर्सनल हायजीन मस्ट खंय आनी समज दोळे आयले जाल्यार वक्र घालून अशें भोंवू नाका ते मागीर एकट्या साकून दुसऱ्या साकून तिसऱ्या अशें करून स्प्रेड चड जाल्लें आसा भुरग्यांक एग्जाम म्हळ्यार स्कुलान आमी काल पयर गेली न्यू गोवान 4 जाणांक आयले 10 जाणांक आयले रोखडे स्कुलान एग्जाम ताजी चुकतली म्हणून धाड तुमी कन्विन्स करा न्ही टिचरीक बाबा अशें अशें आसा म्हणून टीचर आयकना न्ही
But they keep
and tissues as will be used after my dad to give new lease of life to those in need, keeping in view the shortage of organs and tissues for transplantation is in our country. I also pledge that I will make all efforts to inspire my friends, family, and fellow citizens who donate organs and tissue after death. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And July. Junan आमकां 5 कन्फर्म केसीस मेळ्ळ्या आनी जुलायान 7 कन्फर्म केसीस ऑफ डेंग्यू. ना आमचो प्रयत्न कितें आहा टू इनवॉल्व लोकल representatives as well. Okay, inform them and give them all the data or all the knowledge or information regarding these vector-borne diseases, because we know the vector-borne disease एक case पासून म्हळ्यार it can just spread and lead to an outbreak. So that is why the precautions to be taken and what collectively what we can do along with the Urban Health Center. That is why we decided to have this meeting today. And so that each of the ward members can take action in their respective wards, and whatever help and whatever assistance and whatever we need to do, definitely in collaboration if we do, I think it will be worthwhile. It will be very fruitful to bring down the number of cases and have a vector-borne disease-free MAPSA.
म्हापशान जानेवारी ते आतां मेरेन सादारण डेंगू मलेरियाचे 20 केसीस मेळ्ळ्यात. आयज अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटरान म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या कावन्सिलरांक लागून एक अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम दवरलेलो की मलेरियाचेर जावं डेंगू हे केसी ज्यो वाडटात तेचेर कंट्रोल दवरपा खातीर आनी अवेरनेस करून जे जाग्याचेर खंयसर ज्यो मस्किटोज ब्रिडींग बीन जाता ते एरिया वचून ते एरिया थंयसर पळोवन थंयसर कितें उपाय करूंक जाता काय म्हूण तेचेर चर्चा जाली. स्टुडंटा खातीर म्हापशेंच्यान हांव सांगूंक सुद्दां पडटा.
All these things put together, a disease. The person will suffer from fever, then, and easily the person will spread from one person to another. Now, in case of dengue, there are two types of mosquitoes involved over here. In malaria, it is the female Anopheles. In dengue, it is the Aedes. Aedes, there are different characteristics of these two types of mosquitoes. The Aedes mosquito is a day biter. Disachi chapter. And disachi means all office goers here, there, everywhere. So everywhere this mosquito is there. It is sort of a nuisance mosquito. If it is infected, can you imagine how many people it can infect in one mosquito can infect so many people at one time? And that is why there are outbreaks. Why there are outbreaks is because one simple mosquito will infect many people at one time. And that too, office goers, during the day. Whereas Anopheles mosquito for malaria, it's a night biter. Insana to next morning. So it is, spread is not, it happens, it spreads, but you can imagine in the night when the persons are resting, they are in their home environment or wherever, so that mosquito will bite only in the night. So we need to tackle this disease. How? We have to tackle firstly adult mosquitoes, we have to tackle the baby mosquitoes from growing, and thirdly we have to tackle the patients.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.